valve lifter. I use pliers and carefully I take that away. This is in here, this part. And what happens if I change this part like in this first one? What is the situation if I install this part in here and that one? There happens now this installation defect that we have now in that position and that position wrong valve clearance. It means that every these lifters in here, they have this special thickness, and this thickness is made so that many Toyota has been installed inside in these cups and these holes. There is number code, and it means that what is this thickness in here inside, that materials, this thickness between this hole and that valve hole. And if we mix these factory installed parts, like in here that we install in new wrong this valve lifter cup in here, then we have in that special valve area, it can be too big, this valve clearance, or too small. And do not ever mix these, because if you mix these all parts, these valve lifters, in wrong positions, then you have situation that all valve clearances are wrong. They are wrong, and if we have bad valve clearance, it can damage our valves. And of course, how we can then repair this installation issue if we mix all of these valve lifters like in that way. And normally we can think that now all of these lifters, they are similar, but all of these lifters, this thickness is unique. It is unique, and these numbers inside means that what is this thickness, this lifter's thickness, and we can purchase new of these lifters from Toyota dealership center, and there is about 20 different thickness these materials and these parts. That means that some of these are very thin and then they are very thick. And how we can then know that what is right position in our these lifters? There is only thing that we have to measure this valve clearance, and if this valve clearance is like too big, that there is a very big hole, then we need thicker this part, or then we can use these older ones that what fits in these positions. But be carefully, if you really mix this part, then you have a really big job, because in like this 4-cylinder engine, there is this 16 of these valve lifters, and you have to set up each of these just in accurate these positions, and these positions means that we measure this valve clearance between this cam end area, that cam is in that position, this cam head is up, and then we measure that distance and this caps this length. And it is in intake area, it is 0.2 millimeter, and exhaust area 0.3 millimeter. And then we go to measure really these thicknesses, and now in that my engine, it is not suitable for measurement, because these bearings caps are now missing, but I have almost similar Toyota's engine, what we can go to look next. And here we have Toyota's 1.8 liter VVT-L engine, and there are also valve lifters, but in that engine these valve lifters are really small, but there is also same idea that they are different thickness, these types, and there can be like a little bit thicker or thinner these valve lifters. But the key point and idea is that we need now this measurement tool that we can install that our valve clearance tool in between this camshaft and then this valve lifter. And here is good example. This is exhaust area, this is intake area, and in this valve clearance is in intake area 0.2 millimeters, and we start that job that we look in here. There are those millimeters, and now I found 0.3. This is like exhaust valve clearance. In here we can see numbers, and there is also inches. And this 0.3 is for exhaust valve, and then we go to look at how it goes in this valve clearance gap. Okay, and this measurements idea is that firstly we have to rotate this camshaft so that this cam head is up, like in that my position, and then we look at below area, there is this gap clearance, and if I manage to install that 0.3 in here, then this gap clearance is okay. But now when I notice that this is thick, it means that now I have too small valve clearance, and I have to replace in that specific valve a little bit thinner valve lifter. And how it happens? Next we take this camshaft away, and there are 10 millimeter bolts. We have to take this bearing away. Okay, and then I take these camshaft bearing caps away. They can be tight. I can use pliers. Carefully this went away, and then in here I take also this finals. Okay, and now bearings are away. Now I can lift this camshaft, and in here we can see this. There is actually, I have taken one of my valve away. There is in this Toyota engine, there is so small valve lifter. This same idea like if we have bigger, and it belongs in this head, and we need to replace this part. This part in this position, it must to be now thinner, because there was too small this valve clearance. That's I have to install in here thinner part. And really, if I don't have thinner these parts, I have to go to visit in Toyota dealership center, and they have numbers, and numbers means that what is this thickness, and we need to really measure this thickness, and let's look at how this happens. We really need micrometer, and using that device we reset that. Now there is 0, and then we install that small part inside in this measurement tool, and we measure this thickness, what this is. now I installed small part in here, in that way, and now it means that there is this 6 millimeters. 6 millimeters is this my valve lifter, this thickness. And now when we calculate that my valve clearance was too small, it means now that when I need more this valve clearance, I have to purchase valve lifter. What thickness is 5.9 or 5.8 millimeter. And then I install this new valve lifter element back in this my cylinder head. And then we can also look these little bit bigger valve lifters. And then when we are measuring these valve lifters, like in Toyota Camry car, we have to first understand that inside in these lifters there are numbers. And these numbers means that what is this part thickness. And it means that this area to then this inside metallic pin area. And all of these, if we have different numbers inside in here, it means that there is different thickness each of these valve lifters. This is really critical to understand. They are not similar. They have really unique oven thickness, and this Toyota's manufacturing specialist who have been made this engine, he has selected just right of thickness, and that's these Toyota's engines runs so smoothly because these tolerances are so high. And how I can know that what is this my current thickness, and if I need to adjust my valve clearance, I have to purchase new of these valve lifter parts, and we can really get these parts from Toyota dealership center. There is, I estimate that about 20 different thickness type, and this goes like 1 millimeter, 0.05 millimeters levels, these thicknesses, that there is adjusting level about 0.5 millimeter mean to max area. And that's this the point that we have to first measure valve clearance, and then we check this our valve lifter's thickness, and then we purchase or install little bit, if there is wrong in this valve clearance, we install little bit thicker or thinner part, and there is really 20 different types of these parts. And this is the idea how we adjust Toyota's valve clearance. And now we look like in this that what is this my Camry's lifter's thickness. First I have to reset this my device. A little bit difficult. Okay, my hands are a little bit oily. I work a little bit. Now the starting point is 0, 0, and then when I open this my micrometer, I can install this part in here inside. And this is really, and then I start to tight that this takes contact. And now we can see that this valve lifter thickness is 5.44 millimeter. And if I need, like, if I have situation that this my valve clearance is too big, it is too big hole, and I have this valve lifter in there, then I have to make this my current lifter thicker. It means that we need more material, and that's we have to go to purchase new valve lifter from Toyota dealership spare part desk. But we have to take this part with us that we can calculate that what is the thickness of these parts. This is a little bit complex, and that's be carefully when you mix these parts. But good luck!